The positive number A is 520% of the number B and A is 65% of the number C. If C is P percentage of B, which of the following is the value of P? Let's consider this information, that is A is 520% of the number B. We can write this information as an equation. Then we have A is equal to 520% of B. Let's write this information as an equation. Then we have A is equal to 65% of C. Now we can write this information as an equation, that is C is equal to P percentage of B. Now we can use Desmos to get the value of P. Okay, let's go to the Desmos. Let me take the square bracket. Now inside the square bracket, I have to take the stuff we have on the left side of all the three equations separated by comma. Okay, the first equation we have A on the left side, A, comma. The second equation also we have A on the left side. The third equation we have C. Now close the square bracket, take tilde sign. Again, open the square bracket. Now we have to take the stuff we have on the right side of all the three equations separated by comma. Okay, now let me take the stuff on the right side of the first equation, that is 520% of B, comma. The second equation we have 65% of C. The third equation we have P percentage of B. Close the square bracket. Here I got the value of P, that is P equals to 800. I find 800 in answer choice D. The correct answer choice for this question is D.